Hey guys, I got this old Toyota key fob here, and I'm going to show you how to get inside of it to replace the battery, or take the board out, or fix the buttons, or clean it, all the above. Toyota makes it really easy. There's one slot on the back here, you can see it. So take a flathead, they make them easy to open up. Just give it a turn, right? Separate the two pieces. It's going to open up, right? So here's the back of the panic button. Here's the battery. You have a little membrane here with the button. Okay, you clean that up. That's the only thing in the back cover. It's just the panic button. Here's the panic button, little metal diaphragm button here. Okay, then you have the board, and then you have your battery tray here. You can see there's a diagram here for the battery. Slide it into the tray, and then it goes under this lip here once you slide it in this way. And the positive side goes up, which is the flat side on these watch batteries. 3 volts, CR 2016. I'll put links down below to some name brand ones, and then I looked and I found the cheapest options that give you the most replacements. So you can keep them in your car, keep them in your glove box, and you'll always have a replacement. Take your new one, slide it in like this, and it's just gonna sit in there. It's not gonna click down, so you gotta make sure you hold it in place. Take your cover, just put it straight down on it. Press it together. Good to go. Lock, unlock, and in my case, the rear tailgate window for the 4Runner. That's how you do it. Hope that helps. See ya.